Next, we're gonna talk about statistical measures. And first part is range. So what is range? Range is for a set of data. So you're gonna take the highest value minus the value to show the spread of data. For example, I have two set of data here, and we need to find the range of it. So the first step, you need to arrange the term from the smallest one to the largest one. Then after that, you're gonna take the highest value, and then you're gonna minus the smallest value. So in example A, the highest value is 82, and the smallest value is 56. So the range is 26. Do the same thing with example B. After you arrange the term, you're gonna see the highest value is 3 and the smallest value is -4. So the range is 3 minus -4, which is equal to 7.
So which average to use? Sometimes in the question they would ask you to find the average of a set of data. So there are 3 types of average. It is mode, median, and mean. So mode is by finding the number that is repeated the most. Median is by to find like the number in the middle of the data, like when you have arranged all the terms in the data, the number at the middle would be the median. And mean is by adding the sum of all the numbers and all the terms and divide it to the number of terms. So the mode is very easy to find because it will pop up the most, but the disadvantage is sometimes in the data it does not exist. It will be used for non-numerical data. And finding the median, it is also easy to find, but it does not use all of the values. And sometimes the disadvantage of the median is the difference between the terms in the data are very high, so it will affect a lot on accuracy of the average. And the mean will give you the most accuracy average, but sometimes it is not that easy to find because it has to be calculated. And then, for example, you would have to calculate the sum of like 20 terms in the data, and it will cost you a lot of time.
So finally is stem and leaf diagram. So what is stem and leaf diagram and how does it work? So stem and leaf diagram is a device for presenting quantitative data in a graphical format. So for example, here are the age of 21 people, and they ask us to put the data into stem and leaf diagram. B, what's the model value, and C, what's the range of the value. So A, to put all these into stem and leaf diagram, in the first step, we're gonna put the age in order. And step 2, put them in stem and leaf diagram. So this is stem and leaf diagram. As you can see in the stem column, is the number of values, and this leaf column is unit value. So it's quite straightforward, right? And B, they ask for us to find the model value. So the model value is the most common one. So it is 32. And C, the range is different between the largest and the smallest value. So the largest value is 43 and the smallest value is 4. So you take 43 minus 4 is 39. So yes, that's the end of our presentation. If you have any questions, just feel free to ask us.